Hey friends, if you wish to set metered connections on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's quite easy. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select Wi-Fi or Ethernet whatever you're using. I use Wi-Fi. Then select the network, which is this network, and then there is an option called metered connection. Turn it on. Once you turn it on, you'll get this option to set a data limit. Okay, and this is under the data usage section, so you can enter a limit. Let's say for monthly you can use 100 and change the unit to GB because I need GB, and then click on save. And if you wish to remove this limit later, you can click on remove limit. Okay, but be very sure while using a metered connection, and I'll tell you why. Because when you use a metered connection, it will also prevent Windows updates after a stage. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.